You want to drink with sugar. Is that why your mother left you? So that whatever I brought you finish it and I will be looking with I will be moving around with empty stomach. Go and buy sugar and come back. Let me not finish. Before this boy will meet me here. They want to go and buy sugar. If it was when we were in Asaba, you would drink garri without sugar. Garri and you would drink garri with palm kernel. You want to drink akamu with sugar. And if you don't see sugar, you will not drink. Go and buy sugar. Before you come back, I will finish this. Oh, let this mix together and let me enjoy before this boy meets me. I will not put the sugar again. This is very sweet too.
Papa.
Mmakwara.
Yes, Papa. Papa.
You are back.
Yes, Papa. You have finished the akamu.
Yes, without sugar.
Papa, without sugar, but you are using 3 in 1, Papa.
3 in 1.
Yes, Papa.
Yes, now. I use it to garnish the akamu. Don't
Papa,
you like it?
Papa, use it to garnish the akamu. You can't send me to go buy sugar.
When you left, it's like when you left, there was a magic. I saw sugar. I saw chocolate. So I used it.
You saw sugar, you saw chocolate. Papa, now you first do your own. Now you first do, Papa.
Mmakwara, go.
Papa, now you first do, Papa.
I enjoy this akamu. Come and take this plate inside. What a very sweet akamu. An interesting akamu.
And Papa, now you drop this thing 4-5 under pillow there.
Yes. Help me and keep it inside my trousers pocket.
So that now you drop 4-5.
I said I kept it.
You know, say Mmakwara no be stingy boy, Papa. I no stingy. I don't already drop 500 naira for you.
Okay.
I come collect 4,000. You know, say I never chop since morning. I want this 4,000 naira now. Buy fried rice and chicken. I think don't give me this morning.
You want to go and eat food with a whole of 4,000?
Nah, Papa.
How much food did I eat?
Papa, now you say want akamu now. So me I say I want fried rice and chicken now, Papa.
Mmakwara.
Papa.
I remember this. I did not finish it. This is 3 in 1. This is sugar. On top of the fridge there is akamu. In fact, let me go and do that.
I know. Forget about akamu. Papa, leave akamu. I want your fried rice. This langatoro they do me. And I say one thing they chop fried rice and chicken. They chew the chicken. Then I say make I use 4,000 naira enjoy my life, oh Papa. Come here now.
Mmakwara,
Papa,
come back here.
Papa,
Bring that money.
Papa,
What is this?